Need a calendar inside Google Sheets to track dates, deadlines, or events? No problem. Today I'll show you how to add a calendar in Google Sheet. So if you want a simple way to select dates, use the date picker. For that, click on the cell where you want the calendar. Now go to data and data validation. Under criteria, select date and hit done. When you double click the cell, a mini calendar pops up. Super easy. So want a fully monthly calendar? Here's how. Open a blank Google Sheet. In the first row, type the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday. Fill in the dates manually or use a formula like equals to sequence open bracket 6 comma 7 comma 1 comma 1 comma and close bracket. Format it nicely by merging cells and adjusting text alignment. There is another way also, that is you can pick different calendar template from the Google Sheet, so you can have a calendar. That's it. Whenever you need a date picker or a full calendar, Google Sheets has you covered. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tip.